All right, what are the best tech stacks for remote work in 2025? So you want to work remote and you're a software engineer and you're wondering, what type of tech stack should I continue to master so that I can get a remote job? I can live wherever I want. I can work from home. I can have more time with my family, with my friends, and really get that perfect balance you're looking for. So I would say number one, full stack JavaScript. JavaScript is just super in demand. We're talking Node.js on the back end. We're talking React frameworks on the front end. Also Vue is great, but really React dominates the front end ecosystem, Next.js particularly. So you can't go wrong as a JavaScript full stack engineer. There's also a ton of opportunities for Laravel developers on the back end. Laravel just makes it so fast to build an excellent ERP, CRM, full stack application for real businesses solving real problems. So there's many existing businesses that would love to hire a full-time, long-term remote developer who's skilled in Laravel. Golang is another awesome tech stack you can pick up. It's going to be less job opportunities, potentially higher pay in many cases because these companies are looking to build highly performant applications. So maybe if you're a seasoned developer and you want to learn something new, this could be something you go into. Python, obviously the most popular programming language in the world, and the programming language that most machine learning technology is built on top of. If you look at like LangChain for building out LLMs, Python is the native language for that library. So you also have great backend frameworks like Django or more lightweight frameworks like Fast API that you can build Python backends on. So a really great option and plenty of opportunity with Python. Then when we look at the app development side of the market, you obviously have cross-platform app development frameworks like Flutter and React Native, tons of opportunities with these. Really, I would say like JavaScript, cross-platform, React Native, Flutter, Laravel would probably be the top three in that order. So number two there, they have a ton of opportunities. There's a lot of companies that want to build apps and they want to build them cross-platform. So if you can get into React Native and Flutter, obviously with those tech stacks, you're going to want to make sure you know some native iOS and Android, because even though most of the code base is going to be in React Native or in Dart Flutter, you're going to have to do some native stuff for most production applications as well. And then as a plus, I would say in 2025, you need to master the AI tools that are out there. It's more important than ever that you deliver code fast. And these LLMs will help you do the regular work fast. You're going to have to do the thinking. It's important that you understand DevOps, CI/CD pipelines. You understand the architecture of data intensive applications, of building fast web front ends. Fast loading times, clean user experiences. Those are really important, as well as mastering these AI tools so you really stand out, because clients have less patience for engineers who aren't full stack, who don't understand DevOps. They want, with AI tools, a founder can do so much. They want an engineer that they can trust to do everything as well. So rather than having 10 people on a team, having a DevOps specialist, it's really turning into smaller teams where you're expected to do more across the stack in 2025. So hopefully that helps you to figure out what skills you want to build for 2025 and